I'm Sam Molyneux. This is my bike check. Up front here we've got the Amati bars with the raster painted in. With the ODI long necks with Odyssey par ends, best par ends ever. With the Odyssey monolever with full Odyssey gyro, with the best top load stem in the world, Cult Salvation. Then we've got Odyssey gyro, like I said, Odyssey headset. We get him right there. With again Amati RD forks, no dropouts. Look at how sexy they are. Get on. Got the Odyssey Vendero hub. Place to Odyssey Quadrant rim. Then we've got the Profile GDH cranks with Odyssey JC PCs. Sick crank. And pedals. Got the United bottom bracket right there. Very nice right there. Got the Snafu sprocket. Very nice. Odyssey brake calipers. Got the S&M seat clamp with the shield on the front. BSD seat post. And Mark Webb's signature Total BMX seat. Very nice indeed. Now we've got Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain right there, with a G-Sport ratchet hub, leads to G-Sport rib cage rim. Do a nice sound check for that. And I've got the Fit FAF Kevlar tan wall tyres.
Ooh.
Now that's the bike I ride. Now let me show you how to ride it.